Okay, so here goes the problem. Okay, Careless, haha, was applying her makeup when she drove into SHCP's busy parking lot last Friday morning. Unaware that Lisa Ford was stopped in her lane, Kara rear-ended Lisa's car. Kara's 1,300 kilogram car was moving at 11 meters per second and stopped in 0.14 seconds. Determine the force experienced by her car. Okay. All right. So I would suggest making a little list. Okay. Mass is 1,300 kilograms. Her final velocity would be 0 because she's stopping. Okay. Initial velocity was 11 meters per second, and the time of the impact was 0.14 seconds. Okay. All right. So we're just going to keep it simple, and we're pretty much, always going to just solve for the force because we just don't have a lot of time before the final. Okay. So 1,300 kilograms times 0 meters per second minus 11 meters per second. Okay. Over 0.14 seconds. Okay. And where's my calculator? Let's use my phone. Okay. All right. So then you can do it in any way that works for you. Okay, so I'm just going to do 0 minus 11, so that's 11, divided by 0.14. Okay, so I'm just going to have 1,300 kilograms times negative 78.57. Okay, and that's going to be meters per second, right? Because, see, that's going to be a mass, that's an acceleration, which is going to be a force. Okay, and then times 1,300 is going to be a force of negative 102,143. I'm just going to round it off a little bit. Okay, and it's going to be negative, right? Because if the car, right, is moving like this way, okay, the force on it is going to have to be this way, all right? And then you probably have like an Fn and an Fg. Okay, but that force there is the one that's going to slow it down. Okay, and we'll assume that that's the net force, but we'll assume that's the only force on the car. Okay.